G'day YouTubers, how you going? My name's Lee for 007, welcome back. Now I just got this today. These are the grills for my PC case, for the side of the case, so for the doors I got before. That's that. That's that one. Now, I'm going to be putting this onto the case. Now this is a bit of an overkill. Yeah, it is a bit of an overkill for delivering these, but I'm not complaining. They came here, it's all the way from America. They look good. I cannot find these in Australia, which is a disappointment, but there's not much you can do about that. Now, let's move this box out of the way. Next, okay, let's go get the
That's pretty easy too. What I'm doing. Okay, this one. I wanted this one. I wanted this down in a different spot too. See, that was there. That's okay, that one. Just trying to think of how I should organise them. That might be better actually, yeah. That was a lot better. So.
That's the original ones that came with these fans. I did order black, but they didn't have a circle. You can notice how they're square, and it's not black. That's the first thing. And so we got these ones. Well, now, perfect. I'll put it in your head. That's right. Now this should work. In theory, having that rubber there should make it work. You don't want it too tight because it's plastic after all. And that's much better. Yeah, I'll push down that. There's no give there, no give whatsoever. So you really want a rubber mount in between the fan grill and this. It's still the same. I don't know if I could fix this up. Or either find something else that will come out a bit further. Because that's pretty much flush with that. I don't know how I want to have a look at this. So you can zoom in and you see what I mean.
Try to get onto that one spot. Yep. Try there. Zoom into that. You can see what I mean here. Where is that? You can see what I mean, there's a gap. There's a gap still in there. You can see that. And I think that does look a lot better.
Just got to work on this other one. And we're right. Easiest way to do this. Use it as a cushion.
Okay.
And as you can see, the look is actually a lot better, I think. For these fans aren't the most powerful in the world and all that, but they're there just to help the graphics card, not to make it harder for it to do its job. It's there just to help it improve the air quality. Right. That's it. Now we'll keep that fan same spot. So that comes off. So yeah, that's how that looked. It doesn't look as nice, I think, as this look. I could have got that spray, but it still didn't have that round bevel, which is here. It's another thing you wanted for it. But to each to their own, I always say.
No, that's what's causing the problem before. That was not coming from the set. Okay, close enough for perfect.
That looks good to me, I think. I'm happy with that. A bit happy now I fixed this up with 2. Now I can, well, I'll show you if I talk so see this. I will try and maybe sleeve these as one thing going into the unit. But I'm not sleeving it for that, waiting for that from America, but I might get something to go over there. I've got the heat shrink down there, heat shrink down there. Because I'll say the same, I could possibly pull these apart and solder them there, but I don't see the point. I can just put a nice heat shrink, nice piece of thing, because that's what you want to keep one, make it one piece. They could twirl them together and, you know what I mean?
So we do it that way.
Don't know yet. I'm going to tuck that into there. There we go. Just have that little bit out. Let's put this onto the case, shall we? Now you can see how I've wired that up. You can see that there, I've wired it up to there. And that's there so far. So I still haven't figured out how I'm going to wire everything up. So that just goes straight to the motherboard, which is okay. Now I'll close this up. Okie dokie. Now that is wired up, sealed in, wired up nicely. That's what you're going to see from the outside. I'll turn this light off so I can show you what I mean. Okay, so at night time you get the reflection, say, off one of the monitors. That's all you're going to see. I'm a bit hesitant there about that lip still. I'm not 100% keen about that lip. But it's something I'll have to think about. I could make something just artificial outside there and to give it a different look. I don't know yet. But you won't see. I want to eventually sleeve that. You might not be able to see that sleeve. It's not hitting the graphics card, which is good. I don't want that. we'll figure out how I want to exactly wire all that up, because you've got to wire it up in such ways where you can get to it, where you can actually yeah, get, when you need to open the door, you can actually open it and then do it that way. I'm going to have to look on those door ones, I think, where I put it on the side and open and close that way, so when it's, even if it's running, I can just open the door up and I'll just disconnect it and I can, you know what I mean? Yeah, because they do come out of the cases, but I don't know if I can find it for what I need it for there, because all I have to do is run those two wires then back to the left there and tuck it out of the way, find where I want to clamp, put the clamp there and just put the clamp, that magnetic clamp for the doors. Yeah, it's an idea, I'll think about it. This is how she looks in the dark. Still got to figure out what I'm going to do with those two hoses coming down there. As I said before, with the sleeving I might be able to get this sleeving so I'll run down to the end there.